It's been well over a decade since Agnesian HealthCare providers performed the first open-heart surgery at St. Agnes Hospital. Nearly 25,000 heart-related procedures have been offered to area individuals and families, helping to keep quality care close to home. In 2006, Agnesian HealthCare took the next step to further enhance its comprehensive heart care services through the dedication of the Dale Michaels Center for Heart Care in Fond du Lac, bringing to the region a diverse and complete package of quality heart procedures, including open heart surgery, coronary angioplasty, stents, cardiac catheterizations, and more. And Agnesian HealthCare hasn't stopped there. Our highly skilled professionals, technology, and facilities are just another example of Agnesian HealthCare's commitment to the community. High-quality, relationship-based healthcare services close to home.
I'm Pat Michaels. I live in Brownsville, Wisconsin. My father is Dale Michaels. I remember the night that my father called me. We drove up to the ER room. ER doctor took a look at him, ran some tests, and said, yes, he's having a heart attack. We cannot handle his condition here right now. We need to get him to a facility, a center, a heart center, so they can do an evaluation. They made arrangements for him to be transported down to Milwaukee to St. Luke's. They called for Flight for Life. The helicopter landed. It was a very cold night. They got him loaded all into it, and they couldn't get one of the engines started. It was too cold. There was a long period of time to get transport lined up and get him down there. It said that they would have to do surgery almost immediately, that he needed open heart surgery. During the surgery, he suffered a stroke, and he died about 30 days later due to complications to that stroke. Several years later, after my dad passed away, the leadership of Agnesian HealthCare came to me, asked would we be interested in supporting a heart center here at St. Agnes. This area was ripe for needing this type of service. This really helped us make the decision that this was the right thing to do. You always want to give back to the community, and this we thought was a great way of doing it.
Heart attacks are unique, as in it is a true medical emergency. So minutes do matter and can be a matter of life and death. So making a quick diagnosis of someone who's having a heart attack and getting them to the appropriate place, which is the cardiac catheterization lab, the sooner the better.
Here at the Dale Michaels Center for Heart Care, we have set up protocols to help patients get in fast and receive their treatment as quickly as possible. Our cath lab is located right above the emergency room, and the emergency room doctors are in touch with us immediately when these signs or symptoms indicate a heart problem.
Time matters when you're having a heart attack. Our cardiologists and staff are available 24 hours a day to provide you with high-quality cardiac care.
My goal coming here was to bring big city care to the community. We do all aspects of heart care here.
I became a nurse because I want to help people at their most vulnerable time. I'm an advocate for patients. I make sure that their physicians and the therapists and everybody that's involved in their care communicates well with them as to what the plan is for the day and what's going to happen with their plan of care.
We get to spend a lot of time with patients, helping them to modify their lifestyles and make healthier choices, whether it's for physical, mental, emotional well-being after a cardiac event.
Dr. Lilly treated me like a patient and somebody that he really cared about.
The staff at the Dale Michaels Heart Care Center were exceptional in providing positive reinforcement to all the things that we all should be doing on a daily basis. They were supportive and gave me a good direction to move forward.
The nursing staff during my care at the Dale Michaels Center for Heart just was so wonderful. They were great advocates and a great communicator between me and Dr. Lilly to let him know what was going on.
I was totally impressed with St. Agnes Hospital, with the doctors, with the care. I had exceptional nurses. You can tell that the nurses genuinely care about their patients. It's from their heart.
If you've got any problems with your heart, come here. There's no sense to go anywhere else. I've been to the other places. It's better care here.